Hello and welcome. This is going to be our homework help video for the homework titled Patterns to Table. The directions here ask us to draw in figures 0, 4, and 5 based off this pattern. So let's first start by making some mathematical observations about this pattern. One thing I notice, I'm not going to make 3. I think you can add in your own. Actually, I might make 3. But one thing I notice is that as the pattern grows, this would be a good thing to write if you're struggling to come up with mathematical observations here. As the pattern grows, we add 1 block to the first and third column. All right, so we move this direction from figure 1 to figure 2 to get to the next figure. We're adding blocks to the bottom of the first and third columns. So to get figure 4, I still need those 3 blocks across the top, and then I just add 1 to the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this next one, you'd have 7 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, but what if we moved backwards? To move backwards, we just have to undo that. So if as we grow, we add a block to the first and third column. To move backwards, I'm going to take a block away from the first and third column. So figure 0 is just 3 blocks. Total tiles, we can count them up. So I just look at the figure number, count up the number of tiles, and I get that value there. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. We don't have a figure 16, but since I can see in this pattern each time I'm just adding 2, I can just imagine that if I was to add 2 more, it would have 15. The 13 that it already has plus 2 more. And so that's how we're going to represent patterns as tables. On the back side, I won't do the rest of this, but I will say that if what's happening is we're adding like these 3 blocks, you see if I cross those out, then these would actually match. So if I take away those 3 blocks here, then all I'm going to left with is just these 2 like that. 2 more mathematical observations I want to make is that we start with 3 blocks or 3 tiles. And then the third observation is that we increase by 2 each time. So knowing your starting amount and how much you increase by is going to be really important once we get to linear. All right, well, that's that for this homework. Hopefully that was enough to get you started and understanding. Have a good rest of your day.